for school. I gotta run. Okay, class, today. Wait a minute. Where is Coco? Sorry, teacher. I was late for 10 months. Go to the princess office right now. Hello, Coco. What breaks you're here? I was late for 10 months. Coco, how do you be late? That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Go home right now. Coco, how do you be late for school? That's it. You are grounded forever. Go to your room right now. Man, I'm so bored today. What should I do? I know. I push the person into the train down. Ouch! Ouch! That hurt me. Zozo, how dare you push me? That's it. I call you your parents. Zozo, how dare you push the person in the down? That's it. You are grounded forever. Go to your room right now. Man, I'm so boring today. What should I do? I know. I'm gonna watch TV in a minute. I'm gonna watch TV show. I'm gonna watch SpongeBob SquarePants. I love SpongeBob SquarePants. Hey, Chi-Chi. What is it, Dad? I'm busy watching TV. Can I listen in a minute? We're going to the dinosaur land. Yay! It's fun. I like dinosaurs. Now, let's go to the car. A few months later when they got home. Good job. Yes, we have the dinosaur land. That's it. You are grounded forever. You can do anything you want. Man, I'm so bored today. What should I do? Ding. I know. I'm gonna push the other person in a swing. Yay! I'm gonna swing. Yay. Now here's my chance. Ouch! Mom, come over here. What's the matter, son? My leg hurt. Can you take me to hospital? Okay. And person, how do you push the kid in a swing? That's it. You're go home right now. Son, how do you push a person in a swing? That's it. You're grounded forever. Go to your room right now.